The FBI has officially charged Ashley Massengill Grayson and her husband Joshua Grayson in relation to the alleged murder-for-hire plot that the two allegedly hatched. According to the RICO Act of 1970, they are accused of racketeering and murder. Many people anticipate that the two will spend time in prison because RICO charges are notoriously difficult to overcome, especially without an aggressive defense strategy to counter the mountain of evidence that the federal government will undoubtedly amass. Following her assertion that she could earn $1 million in under an hour, as we previously reported, Ashley Massengill Grayson seemed to be a rising star in the entrepreneurial world in September 2020. According to Yahoo News, Massengill Grayson was allegedly defrauded of $2,000 by a woman by the name of Sherelle, and she also allegedly overstated her earnings by $1 million. Additionally, Sherelle alleged that Massengill obtained her funds from a workers' compensation settlement and not from her legitimate business. Many other users asserted that Massengill Grayson and her husband conned them as well. Massengill Grayson later acknowledged that her circumstances improved as a result of a workers' compensation settlement after she lost a finger while working on an assembly line. Ashley Massengill Grayson filed a petition on April 4, 2023, asking the United States District Court in Oxford, Mississippi, to throw out Derica Harwell's defamation claim. According to court records, FBI agents told Harwell Massengill Grayson that the influencer had tried to hire a contract killer on or around September 26, 2022, a hitman to murder her. The FBI requested that Harwell be moved out of her home under their protection due to this extremely serious threat to her life. Harwell asserts a number of claims in the lawsuit, chief among them that Massengill Grayson harassed and threatened her via Facebook Messenger, that Grayson tried to dox Harwell, and that Grayson is attempting to sue the numerous people who were allegedly involved in her alleged murder-for-hire plot for defamation, in an effort to obstruct the murder-for-hire investigation. Harwell allegedly made derogatory comments on Grayson's Facebook page, which became a viral post, prompting Grayson to file for a restraining order against him. The court determined that Grayson's motion to dismiss Harwell's lawsuit lacked merit, and that another court would need to determine which party was telling the truth and which was lying, because the two sides of the story were so diametrically opposed. But ultimately, this court fears that the contradictory claims made by Ms. Grayson and Ms. Harwell will prove to be so incompatible with one another that a jury will be required to decide who is telling the truth and who is lying. This court expresses no opinion on the subject because, in this case, its only responsibility is to determine whether there are any triable factual disputes. It appears rather strongly at this point that